Welcome to Concord, New Hampshire's state capital. Concord's downtown surrounds the Capitol building and is bustling with businesses, local shops, restaurants, and favorite local hotspots. Just a short drive from Main Street is our newest listing, 15 Wyman Street, Unit 38.
Welcome to this cute Concord condo. You're going to love the open concept.
The modern kitchen opens to the dining area and spacious living room with walkout slider. Luxury vinyl plank flooring stretches across the first floor. When you head upstairs, you'll find a large primary bedroom with a double closet. The second floor features newer wall-to-wall carpeting. Head out into the hall where you have your washer and dryer and the shared full bath. You'll also find another spacious, light and bright bedroom. This condo is ready for someone new to call it home. Wyman Street is just a half-mile away from White Park, which is a great place to get outside and enjoy the outdoors. And also a couple favorite local spots, Washington Street Cafe and William & Sons Coffee Cup, and Franklin Pierce Law School. You're just 1 mile from the Capitol building, downtown, and all that Concord has to offer.